Hello, my name is Chanilyn Chow. I am 35 years old and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I live in Bayawan City, Negros Oriental, and this job is ideal for me because I love promoting products. I love talking to the customer in social media, and this is my fashion. Before, when I am not yet finished in my college, I work as a sales lady in some mall in in Manila, in Quezon City, in SM Mall in Quezon City. So I assist customer. And this job using online or virtual selling is my fashion because I always use Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So I love talking in social media, and I love selling in social media. I love promoting in social media. In last 2022, I work as a branch staff. And while working as a branch staff, I assist customer. I tell I told the customer what is the benefits and uses of the products. Then the customer will buy the products because I explain it well, and they love the way I explain, and they understand what is the uses of the product. So this job is ideal for me, and hopefully you will give me a chance to be part of your virtual business, and I will really do my best to have more sales and to be a part of this growing company. I hope that this company will be more blessings or more successful in the future, and I will be the part of your success. Thank you.